Thank you for joining us and welcome to Turck. I'm Raymond Wenzel, Business Development, RFID Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to get better visibility in your supply chain using an RFID gate. What's an RFID gate? It's a turnkey system that is installed over a dock door or other important locations of your distribution center or warehouse. It scans multiple RFID tags simultaneously in seconds. Ultimately, it gives you an improved tracking of incoming or outgoing goods, for example. Let me show you how it works. The gate comes with multiple antennas mounted on a structure, an HMI or indicator lights depending upon your application, and the system is controlled by proprietary software that's configured to your needs. Your operator and warehouse worker will simply take the tagged RFID items and move them through the directional gate. As you can see, we've scanned and read all of the tags. They're now logged as in the warehouse and in your data tracking system. It's as simple as that. So the key things to remember are, it's a turnkey solution with ready-to-use components. The gate can be adjusted for new locations. It eliminates stray reads for more accurate data capture, even at a distance. The system helps with enterprise and warehouse level monitoring, and the software is 100% device independent. Please contact Turck to learn more.